Okay, today we're testing another recipe from the Gaijin Cookbook, and we are making Spicy Somen with poached chicken for lunch.
Alright, action.
Okay, so to make this recipe, we need chicken breast, somen noodles, we have thinly sliced scallion, we have some cucumber matchsticks, and we have shoyu, rice vinegar, and sugar. And this is a dressing we made for Nicholas because we don't want too much salt or sugar. We also need a chili oil to dress it. That's a separate recipe that we'll try later. For today, we're probably going to use okazu because we like it so much. Okay, so the first step is to cook the chicken, and we're going to poach it in water. And we probably have more than 1 pound of breast here. Is this 1 pound? In the recipe it says 1 pound, or what, like one breast, that's 1 pound. That seems really large. I don't know if that's a typo or not, but anyway, we're just going to put all the chicken breast that we have in here because we can use what's left over for something else later.
Tacos.
Yeah, tacos. So we've got 6 cups of water here, and we've got some salt. We reduced the salt a little bit because Nicholas is going to have some of this too. So we say to put all the chicken in the water, and then we're going to bring it to a simmer and then cook it, and then reduce the heat to low, and cook it until it's done. Maybe 20 minutes, he says. Okay, so chicken's in. I'm going to turn the stove on to medium, and we'll let it go. Okay, so it's just starting to come to a bare simmer. You can kind of see. So we're gonna turn our stove down as low as it can go, and we'll kind of probably keep checking it every 5-10 minutes. He suggested it will take about 20-25 minutes, I think. So we'll turn it down now. Okay, so the chicken's done. So at this point we're going to remove it and just put it in this bowl for later. We're going to make this in a couple hours. Otherwise you could just leave it out. And then the recipe suggests that you can strain the liquid and use it for something else later. So we'll probably do that. We could use it for soup or something like that. And then right before serving, we'll kind of cut up a couple pieces and pull them and top them noodles. Okay, so the water's boiling. We're gonna cook our noodles now. They're really skinny, so they'll be done very quickly. I think just like a minute or two. And once they're done, we're going to drain them and chill them with cold water and ice so they don't keep cooking and they'll get nice and cold for our lunch. They're cooled thoroughly, and you want them to be really cold, not warm. Then we're gonna drain them well, and then we can add our dressing. Ready?
Yep, review time.
Review time. Let's see. It's good. Okay, cool.
That's good. I like the dressing. That's good for like a hot summer day. We should try with our own chili oil or his recipe.
Yeah, we're gonna try his recipe.
She had the camera on her. She's rolling her eyes at me.
So are we going now?
It's good. Baby says good.